Josh?
It's good.
Our healthy snacks. Very yummy, no? And look at our gorgeous trees. It's so beautiful. And look at the flowers up close. And soon they're going to be peaches. They're going to turn into peaches. This bee is pollinating. There are a lot of bees here in the garden right now. Look, there's a bok choy that have bolted. It's beautiful. That's why I don't like uproot them, because they are like, the flowers are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, a lot of bees. Do you see the bees? Birds are just like behind me actually. Just on this like peach tree, and then this one is a nectarine tree. There are a lot of bees. So beautiful. It's okay.
And look how buff this one. Look how big the peas are inside this.
I know, and it's very crunchy. Oh, listen to Josh eating. See, it's super crunchy, no, and so sweet too. And super, like, it's so clean because they are homegrown, organically grown, no chemical at all. And we don't even like put plant food on our vegetables. We just like put a good soil, organic soil, and that's it.
And the bees like your hand.
I know. Let's look for the bees. The bees are here. Got a lot of bees here. And on the flowers too. Oh, that's the butterfly. I hope you can see it. You see it? It's a yellow butterfly. And so very unlikely for this like season. It's still like winter to have a butterfly. Right? It's mostly you see them like spring and summertime. We're having the yummy, crunchy sugar snack peas. I'm here with Josh to harvest the sugar snap peas that are ready. This one. Here are the sugar snap peas. I'm going to harvest some kumquats too over here. There are more sugar snap peas on the other side. These are going to be for snacking. Very nutritious snacks. This would be, I can finish more. It's Sunday. So it's going to be just a relaxing afternoon before a work week. Here's my harvest so far. Let's go get more. Look at this lettuce. Beautiful lettuce. There's a sugar snap peas here too. See this? And look at this broccoli. They are beautiful. I'm going to harvest them soon. See? And there are more like sugar snap peas here. And look at the very prolific lemon tree. And this is where I'm going to have a relaxing time. Look at the gorgeous peach and nectaplum blossoms. We are going to eat our sugar snap peas and kumquat here. Hi Josh.
Hi.
Are you excited to eat our snacks?
Yeah.
By this gorgeous peach tree. Look at our peach tree and the nectarine.
Mommy, we have made calamansi juice before, but has anyone made it kumquat juice before?
No, I think it's going to be really sour. Right? Without eating this peel,
Sour.
just the inside is like, oh my, really packed with vitamin C. Alright.
The skin is sweet, and then the peas are. I don't know if it's.
I think the butterfly I can see the shadow of the butterfly. Yeah.
It's up there.
There you go. We have more on the other side. More of this gorgeous trees. That's the butterfly. Oh, beautiful. We finished the snap peas. We have more there.
I can't go through this.
You can just go through it. There you go. They're harmless. They don't have thorns like the roses. Let's go, be. Oh, this is the lavender, which has bees too. Look at those bees.
These ones have bees.
That's
Buzzy,
bees.
buzzy, bees,
Beesy, beesy, yeah.
Beesy, beesy, buzz.
I'll show you the other flowers that I mentioned. Here we have 2 more trees that are like that have flowers. Oh, this is so fragrant. The plum flowers, they are super duper fragrant. This is a nectarine tree. It's like 1 second, it's so busy on the street. See, there are more bees here. This is a nectarine, and then more like flowers up there, and that one is a plum tree. The plum blossoms. I wish you could smell this. It's, oh my gosh, the scent. It's so fragrant. See the flowers, and then soon they will turn into plums. Oh, so smells so good. And this pear, nectarine blossoms. Nectarine, nectaplum, peaches, they have the same flowers. The pink one. And this is the kumquat. And I'll show you the other flowers that have a lot of bees too. This one, but not right now because it's already like late. But in the morning there are a lot of bees there too. Oh, and this one too is flowering. This is a pear tree. The other one is peach. This is pear. And the lemon tree over there. And the sugar snap peas. I'm back here in the garden to harvest some spinach for our dinner. It's going to be fish soup with spinach. We need to harvest all these vegetables. Tomorrow for lunch I'm going to use those lettuce. And then the this one too. Look at this. Like huge mustard greens. purple Osaka mustard. But for now, I'm going to harvest the spinach over there. And here's my spinach harvest for our dinner.